The experience of 10,000s of accountants with the precision of a machine. A very warm welcome to our presentation how Abacus Accounting Technologies helps accounting departments in their most important jobs by applying AI technologies. My name is Christoph Prieler and I'm one of the co-founders of Abacus. The most important job of an accountant is to process business records in accordance with the local regulatory environment and internal company rules. Furthermore, to stand as a business partner for other departments of an organization by providing fast and accurate data for further analytics. So how do we help? First, our AI software, Finmatics, automates all transaction processing with an accounting department, let it be invoices, delivery notes, purchase orders, or other. Our self-learning algorithms learn the document structure by business partner automatically and can learn the fields which need to be read out on the basis of a few samples. But we are not limited to OCR capturing like most of our competitors, but are capable of bringing additional value in automation to the accounting departments. This by predicting other necessary values for accounting purposes such as general ledger account numbers, cost centers, payment conditions, or even automatically match an invoice with purchase orders and delivery notes. Furthermore, we also control on every transaction the compliance towards the local law, as well as internal company regulations such as VAT compliance, spending limits, and we interact with the accountants if there is a suspicious recognition on the transaction. Finally, Finmatics is also capable of providing the data in real time to the users and allows analysis on process deficiencies as well as business behavior. Let us specify how Finmatics addresses the pain points of the accountants. Number one, we automate repetitive transactional tasks where the current activity is manual processing, thereby reducing the cost of transaction processing by more than 50%. Second, while manual invoice processing is not cheap, the lack of legal compliance due to human errors can lead to 6 or 7-digit fines. Finmatics can here reduce the errors through inbuilt self-learning governance, risk and compliance checks, as well as learning the controls specifically in place in the customer's organizations. Getting the analysis out to another department so that on the basis of the data real important decisions can be taken is a real pain in most accounting departments. We solve this problem by providing real-time finance data and analytics. For this, we also have deep learning and machine learning models for document classification, data capture, accounting tasks, and compliance control. The models are trained with millions of accounting documents, and all received data is utilized for training existing models to continuously improve Finmatics system intelligence. The algorithms are European patented. Whenever an accounting department wants to switch its technology, typically months and millions are spent for implementation. However, Finmatics can be implemented within a few days and for small money and starts creating ROI nearly on day one. If you finally ever wanted to implement a standard accounting over several countries, you know what I'm talking about. The usage of standard F&A software in more than one country is a real headache. However, we make an easy international expansion as Finmatics is ready and can read and understands finance documents in most of the world. Now, this was quite a lot of information why Finmatics makes a difference in accounting departments. Just to let you know that our customers confirm our value proposition, we have written down some of the quotes which our customer make about us. In this case, department heads of KPMG, Avis Budget Group, and Gas Connect Austria. But yes, there are more customers who are able to confirm you that what's the value department heads mentioned about us. In fact, we have currently more than 4,000 customers in 7 countries who benefit from Finmatics. To mention the most prominent ones, it's the city of Vienna. Neni should be definitely known by people living in Vienna. Also BDO, Deloitte, Grant Thornton, KPMG or TPI, who are the key regional and global players in the accounting industries. Let us now have some live experience what the system is going to look like. For compliance reasons, I'm not allowed to show you, for example, the picture of the invoice, which we're going to process. However, I'm going to give you a brief glimpse on what's going on here. First of all, we are going to log in to the software. There is automatic classification of the document to the correct legal entities. We are taking now a look among these legal entities as well as processes to an invoice. There is an invoice which I need to verify. The system shows you that there is a VAT problem, that there is some problems also maybe with some of the um, values which have been read out, and all the fields which are shown in black are definitely correctly read out. There is a PO matching, the payments have been correctly applied, so the accountant really has hardly any work to do to populate and sees on first glance of where the problem lies, what he needs to do, and is therefore fast and legal compliant in processing this invoice. Now I come to the end of my presentation. Thank you for your interest in how we help accounting departments in their most important jobs. If you want to know more about the software, please contact me personally on christoph.prieler@abacus.ac or go to our homepage on Abacus.ac and visit our blog. Stay safe, yours, Christoph Prieler.